How to hide posts from friends on Facebook. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To hide the posts from your friends on your Facebook app, go ahead and launch a Facebook in your device. In here, you need to make sure you are logged in into your Facebook account. If you have not yet, go ahead and enter your credential to do so. Once you are in here, tap on the three horizontal line that is at the top. From here, you can click on your profile icon. Now right at the bottom, go ahead and locate the post that you wish to hide from your friends. You can tap on the three dot icon and click on Edit Privacy. From here, you can select on the option of Only Me, which will hide the post from even your friends as well. If you want to post a fresh post by hiding it with your friends on Facebook, click on the post option, and right over here in the audience section, go ahead and select on Only Me. You can set it as default audience, or you can untick the box as well and tap on Done. After which, if you post our content, it will be hidden from all of your friends on your Facebook. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.